say I go leave. Now you are.
And let me guess, your friend is Josh Blakk.
I know.
Or a young Ghanaian artist, I want to cry.
Oh, you give me a
Now he's been doing music for a very long time now.
number one.
From Vodafone Icons, the Kopimo Nigeria,
All of them got
or representing Ghana, a project fame.
better. But you tell me no.
He has an upcoming project, a friend is 6 a.m. in Amsterdam.
Oh no, make you no play me like it's do.
Just a cyber guitar crowd.
I chose you. I chose you.
If I should be alive on Facebook, but I never share no said in the whole fair. If you end up paying you anything nice and I say anything handsome. My guest represents handsome. Josh Blakk. Cheers, Asa. Josh Blakk.
Yeah, Josh Blakk.
Good morning, let's say. Yami Adomboko. It's been a while, you're home screens, no so share.
Oh, life happens. Life happened.
Life. You who now in your dread?
There.
Just what's a sacra?
Yeah, going through a phase. Yeah, rebranding.
Rebranding. Then I inspire it, you know. Is there rebranding?
Oh, Bibiana, like me person me here that's fitting me quite a brain.
Now then I see you kind of faint now when said this. Now Papa person by dread. Now faint in an agency sign. Oh,
it's not about Nadi necessarily, but I just took that bold step to do it because I identify with them.
Okay. Into your saying.
Oh, my country, funny enough, Australia.
Yeah.
Australia.
Now we'll try like a very huge reaction from him, but when you say,
oh, as at that time, no dear, I said, well, no, who's a room to one, met 20. It was just more supportive.
More supportive.
Yeah.
And I met me a video about TikTok now. Guy, I think so. What we're releasing, you know, they're saying, "Papa, so Papa, auntie, no, Papa needed this. I said, "But you be because I said, man, I will understand." And you when you say, "Man, I'm not going to never be Antonio." No, I say, "Papa, boy." What say you to understand, Papa? You wanna?
Oh, in the beginning, dear, yeah, in a way, not on pay, honestly, but later on. He was on my many support,
and then now I'm penny person lawyer,
oh, so no who me a lawyer, economist, near that didn't be. Yeah.
I don't know. You almost said then there will be a person yeah. At a papa for no person or nurse, 1 year nurse, banker, lawyer, teacher, as a woman say.
Yeah.
I believe someone say and that's all woman say a boo said you more a change to another entertainment things no.
Yeah.
But I said gradually, I said this is what you want to do.
Oh yeah, I mean God rest his soul. He passed 2 years ago. But before that, yeah, that's why I said I was going through a phase.
Okay.
But before that, Charlie, TM me ban me there and watch on you.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah, so
he became a fan.
Yeah, before. Yeah, Bompire, mommy, so yeah, it was.
Oh, into a free moon I you know.
There before, way before.
I said, watch out,
way before.
But tell me, show some I made more support from onset.
Charlie, my mother, dear Charlie, from the onset.
Yeah.
And also, Onua Kaibia me yard, but she did give me that support. Once she say, oh, me way, oh, ordinary dream, yeah, Obama shows.
Oh,
yeah, Obama shows.
That is nice. So yeah, then we'll boost your full support too. A more different kind of courage.
Yeah.
And so when they say they are supporting me to the BCB and they have my back.
Exactly.
It's good. Into live on Project Fame, how was it?
It was nice. It was smooth. It was really nice. The only thing they say, that time, no master hit maker that year. So I wasn't getting votes from Ghana at all. Yeah, I remember the director coming up to me and saying, yeah, what's going on? All your votes are coming from Nigeria. Nobody in Ghana is voting. So I think it wasn't showing. That time, no moon show or Ghana.
Okay.
So I was always being saved by the judges and, you know.
And about performance.
Like and my performance. If I get best performance of the night, then I can go through.
Oh.
But it couldn't go through like that, so I got evicted eventually.
So programs are there and a vote too?
Yeah.
A vote. And are you disappointed?
Yeah, at the time. Yeah, but I took the lesson from it. I always move forward, Charlie.
Were you the only Ghanaian?
Yes, in my time I was the only Ghanaian.
Wow. And Nigerians no show much love, pal.
Oh yeah.
Because being the only Ghanaian never honor no. Now more never vote my dear.
Yeah. I was there to like a show before the semis, so
Wow.
yeah, I enjoyed my time in Nigeria. Yeah.
You had fun.
It was 2012. I checked.
Oh, so Becca, because the experience was nice.
Yeah.
Now your first time in Nigeria, oh.
No.
Wasn't?
No.
Oh, wow. Oh, first time, how was it?
First, my school was Crown Pooping. Fanamisa.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Just Nigeria is your second home.
I love Nigeria, Charlie. Yeah, most of my friends, some of my friends are Nigerians.
Nigerians?
Yeah, most of them. Like 35%.
It will compare Vodafone Icons and Project Film experience and then a more like life experience.
I would say with Icons, we were in a group.
Yeah.
So the experience was quite different. You know, it will help you to like learn how to work with different people. But with Project Fame, it was people from different countries. You had someone from Liberia, someone from Sierra Leone, so then obviously the experience is like vast. It was different ideologies and stuff like that. There were different things I picked up from those competitions. Yeah, very different things.
Because you need different platforms.
Different platforms. Yeah.
Different platforms.
Yeah, exactly.
And now, about reality, Nankas, and how is life treating you? Music industry reality.
I want to say, I've always I have a band, Wachi band.
Yes, watch it. I come band. Okay, remember how say I don't know watch it, so we can.
Only do watch it. Watch it sports we were Jolu Junction. Na your career rehearsal by one it's na.
Oh.
Yeah, so we used to eat a lot there, and I think one of my guys came up with a silly idea. Say, "Onuni beans, we rice, we stew, kabuma."
Oh.
So that was the mentality. Now we said it jokingly, and a kai. Yeah. So since since 2008, we started our first. This thing was 2008. We've been playing almost everywhere from Republic Bar to Piano Bar to name it. And corporate gigs, weddings, I don't know, you never lie. But aside that, I mean, from almost anywhere. So I was busy being a musician and not really paying attention to being an artist. But I'm trying to, I can actually do the two. You understand? Yeah, so that's what I'm working on now.
Wow. Yeah. What if you get an offer na ye na sika no more drupa? Would you consider?
Say maybe at the times maybe. But I never. I mean, that's why I can't say.
Yeah, no.
It's a sad thing.
Definitely a sad thing. It's true.
I swear.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's band Mabo from 2008.
Yeah, that's
been
what we
together
started. Since.
And the name has been Wachi
Band since.
You're not planning on changing it?
No. Yes,
I didn't hear.
It has become our identity. So that's why there's so much togetherness. Ubanu will say, boy, actually, it's a beautiful thing.
I don't want for Mamba. You didn't bring them.
Aside that,
individual.
Exactly. Yeah, if I survive. So. So,
until someone will show beer, you have to go together and we'll be out on separate ways. And the Bronya Bamunya Daju.
Oh, I said we've been playing for a very long time. It's just 2 seconds. Everywhere go boss. We just play. Oh, it's really nice. Recently I had a rehearsal with them. I was just chatting.
Powerful.
Yeah. There are talented people in Ghana, crazy talented people.
You also want to get on by and my cappella.
Oh, say me and Mike.
Oh, my Mike. But what is I am ba?
One shy.
Baba. Aye.
Okay.
And you by Che. I'm sure. I will Baba.
Okay.
Bo my cappella. Josh Blakk, my cappella from his beautiful guitar. I say, Baba.
Oh, and it be like say I go leave.
believe. Now you I go to believe all the things I know. Never seen a girl like you, never seen before. You give me a taste and I'm asking for more. Number one on my radar, I give praise to your maker. All of them guys are fi hater, none of them girls are fi taker. But you tell me no, no, no. Say you won't take things slow, slow, slow. I don't get problem on a low. See, make you know, play me like a T-do-do. Now you be my number one. I choose you, yeah. See, baby girl, I choose you. 8 billion people in the world and none of them come close to you. I choose you. Baby girl, I choose you, yeah. See, 8 billion people in the world and none of them see. Cause I am not myself anymore. I can see my feelings fall. When you hear this song, baby, know it's to you that I belong. Cause it's you I chose. I supposed to this other girls, baby. There'll never be no other else, baby. There'll never be no other else, baby. Cause you're my black rose, black rose, black rose. See me with the phone and my baby she posts. Baby, if you leave me, I go comatose, comatose. See, you're my black rose, black rose, black rose. See me in the Benz and my baby she know. Acting in the channels, but I'm stuck on a movie. Cause girl, you keep on moving, see, girl, you keep on moving like this. When your body shake it like this, when you know that you're the right queen, you be the right one, and it's a life thing.
Hey,
That I can't deny.
pressure.
I don't go lie.
When I say you are mesmerized. Why am I mesmerized? Boy? I just want to say the voice, the melody. That's our auditions. Like this is so beautiful. Say the voice in the guitar and they're blending nice. When I come out, it's a working Monday. It's a working Wednesday morning. Be on your feet. Josh, this is a beautiful song. One
Thank
out
you.
on your way.
Yeah, so number one,
Yeah.
I like to. This particular song was written by myself, the one I featured, Chi Wave, and also we have Mr. K, who's on the other song. Yeah, I like to work with them, Charlie. They're very focused human beings. So when we're together, we write together, we compose together. This song like this, I was just playing. Next thing I know, no, that was 6 a.m. in Amsterdam. I was just playing. Next thing I know, my guy pick up in bass, he play put inside. Then call. When so no about guitar, not Chi Wave about guitar. I said no, bro, record that. Or record it. You just to hold for like 3 months, right? So one time we're going through our songs, and then he came. Actually, make we record. So it was like right there, you know. It's beautiful making music with these guys, I swear. Yeah.
The passion now, they can start crying. It means you love what you're doing.
Oh yeah.
And I speak highly of your team.
Yeah.
Come on, Sempa. They're not here, but I want to see them. Say they will come on. I want to see you guys perform.
Yeah, you should.
When next are you performing anywhere?
Well, my album is coming out
6 a.m. in Amsterdam, no?
Yeah, so it's a part of a whole project, an album, a 12-song album. It's coming
12.
out on the 15th.
12 songs.
We have songs, so as for songs, yeah.
On the album now.
Yeah, there are 12 songs. I shouldn't have said that, but yeah, there are 12 songs.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's coming out on the 15th. We have a show on the 14th at Alliance Française. So, Charlie, you guys will pull up. I'm telling you, it's going to be... You should come to a Josh Blakk show. Your life will never be the same.
Hey, pressure.
They know.
You are speaking volume. Get to your manner.
And any team you decide about.
Ma fix it, and when you fix it.
There's this little a fraction of us want there to be some to believe that it's an album listening turn into a jam, so it should be
free.
Yeah, so
and that's strictly by invitation.
Yeah. So then we're going through it though. I'm sure before the week runs out, we'll finalize on that.
Because my fix it be announcement by
child. Yeah, whether ticketed or not, they should
say only one amount of emoji because we can't come and stand there with 20 Ghana cedis. Like I say, you're not allowed to enter.
I feel you.
Yeah.
Oh, but yeah, we go communicate them soon. But the date is fixed. I mean, everything else is
15th
done.
October.
No, 14th December. Sorry.
December.
Yeah.
Oh, and I send it.
Oh, there's more time. Yeah.
Take it to my car. It makes sense because
Yeah.
saying Andrew, it's not yet there.
14th December.
And then December, John, you see, I'm watching December programs, you know.
Oh shit! This thing, if they do, I saw like 4-6 months ahead. And so we do hono.
No,
Now park, yeah. So
yeah.
and also it gives you ample time to prepare. Yeah, that's how it should be. It shouldn't be like and then.
I think I won't pray or more,
Yeah.
You see, album now, yeah. Air promo no.
Yeah.
6 a.m. in Amsterdam. It's a song on the album.
Yeah. So 6 a.m. in Amsterdam is a song on the album. Number 1 is also a song on the album. I can't reveal the name of the album yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But those two
6
songs.
a.m. in Amsterdam, your personal experience, Anna. Amsterdam now.
Yeah. So there was this KLM show that I won, and now I'm flying called Amsterdam. So it was just the difference in lifestyle and the experience I had there, and also it's a thank you God song. If you listen to it, yeah. So I wrote this song in like 2016. Yeah, that's the first time I wrote it in 2016. But then recently now, we just put it together and then produced it out. Yeah.
Okay, so 6 a.m. is a song on the album, and then
Number 1.
Number 1 is also a song on the album.
Yes, it is.
And which of those songs are on the album?
Oh, there's beautiful songs. There's Kumasi, there's Hanky Panky Love.
How you pick your titles there? It's funny. There's Kumasi, there's Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Why?
You
didn't write Kaswa.
No.
Why?
No.
You don't like Kaswa?
Oh, I've not really had any experience in
Kaswa.
Kaswa.
But you
so-
have like an experience with in Kumasi.
Yeah.
Eh.
Kumasi is actually a beautiful song. I really
Experience
love
being
it.
now.
Oh, my time Kumasi paying. I schooled in Kumasi for like 3 years.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that 3 years experience in Adwuma?
Oh, it's about me missing the place actually.
Oh.
Bantima Fufonia didn't.
Oh yes. Yes. Kumasi is home. Kumasi is home.
Yeah.
Josh,
Yeah.
thank you for passing through.
Thank you so much for having me. I had a lovely time.
Mr. Sa, it's been
Yeah.
a lovely conversation having
Yes.
you talking to you now that it's very nice. But your final words.
Well, yeah, people should just try and tune into what we have going on in terms of my music.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very necessary.
Very necessary. My name is Josh Blakk, Blakk. The last K is emphasis on how black I am. So just try to follow me on social media, and yeah, I have lots of songs, coming out, and
Lots of goodies.
lots of goodies. Yeah, I know you will like them. Inti, that's it.
Your social media handles.
Yeah, Josh Blakk everywhere. JOSH BLAKK.
JOSHBLAKK.
Yeah.
The last K emphasizes on how black he is.
Me too, pan. That shit.
Me tum tum tum. Josh, it's been a wonderful conversation.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you for
you.
passing through.
Sure.
Anytime be able to pass it through.
Okay.
To have
Tomorrow?
Yeah. We'll be expecting you. Have a wonderful day.
You as well.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Tryna make it through the streets of fame.